This right here is the Samsung Galaxy Book 4, and we're unboxing this. Let's go, let's do this. So this right here has 512 gigabytes of SSD storage and 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and this has the Intel Core 7. That is Intel's newest chips. Supposedly it's not the super top of the line like the Ultras are, but this is still a pretty high-end chip, and it looks like I got a seal right here. I don't know if I'll need this pocket knife, but we'll see. Okay, this looks easy enough. Very easy. All right. Maybe I do need the pocket knife, particularly for this side right here. So right there, pocket knife open. Now we just slit this. Don't think I need the pocket knife anymore, so I'll put it off to the side. And as you know, I've been rocking an HP laptop, a 15.6 laptop that I've had since 2020, since June of 2020. And let's see, what do we got here? Okay, so first things first. Right here, you're met with a USB to USB-C cable, or USB-C to USB-C cable is what I meant to say. A USB-C power adapter. This charges over USB-C. Why is it dirty? That's weird. There's a little bit dirty there. Okay, so we'll pluck. Let's see if there's anything further. No. Okay. We'll pluck this off to the side. And right here you're met with what looks like, well, I thought it would have been a cleaning cloth or something, but this is, I guess, instructions or warnings or whatever. So you're met with that from Samsung. So we'll just file that off to the side. File this box off to the side here. And here is, as I always say in these unboxings, the star of the show. I'll put that down, see if there's anything further. So far it looks like we got nothing right here. We'll just put this box over to the side. And now let's see what we got here. Okay. This microfiber or whatever this is comes off pretty easily. A little bit cold, it's been outside. So there's the laptop right there, Samsung branding right here. Beautiful Samsung branding. And we're just gonna open it up real quickly. See what we're met with. Right here, you're met with the keyboard. Nice soft keys. Nothing fancy. And a clicky touchpad. So real quickly, I just want to go over what we have here on the sides. Right here, you have your HDMI, you have a USB-C port right here, you have a USB Type A port, and another USB-C port, and this is a Ethernet. I think, I don't remember what that is. Interestingly, no micro SD card slot. So, well, actually, I'm pretty sure that this is a micro SD card slot. But anyway, you got your headphone jack, you have your another USB-A port, and a, I think this is a key of sorts. I don't remember what exactly that is, but I saw somewhere where they mentioned that being a key of sorts. But anyway, let's get this bad boy set up. All right, so let's get this thing turned on right here. Oh, that keyboard lights up underneath. Look at that. The little light up keyboard doesn't have RGB, but it does light up. So that's really, really cool. And now, of course, it's going to take just a moment. All right, there's your Windows startup right there. And for right now, I'm just going to use this touchpad and just slide it over. It feels nice and smooth. United States. You already know. Want to add a second keyboard? No, we don't have a second keyboard. So let's get on the Wi-Fi. All right, now I am officially connected and let's go. We're just gonna press next. So apparently it's gonna restart, so we'll just wait for that. And now I'm just gonna accept these terms of service right here. Nobody reads terms of services, so and so now I get to sign into my Microsoft account. Okay, so this is what my Microsoft account looks like. Last backup was obviously a couple days ago when I edited a video, or actually I uploaded a video, excuse me. But there you go, we'll just press continue like I already did. And we're going to skip the fingerprint setup for now. We don't need to do that. Create a PIN. So I'll do that. And now I get to choose some privacy settings, I guess. Customize your experience. Just probably creativity. I'll just leave it at that. And now you could use your phone from your PC, obviously. So I'll probably just have to do that. All right, so now it's saying always have access to your recent browsing data. We'll just say not now. You're in luck. You've landed a Microsoft 365 free trial family. I'm going to decline. Decline that. Boy, it's so easy to forget how the Windows setup, how long it really is. Like, it's insane. And now it's going to update again. Okay, so finally, after multiple restarts, we're finally up and running. And this is the Samsung Galaxy Book 4, officially. Hi, it says. Getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Don't worry, I won't. I will not turn off my PC at all. Okay, so now it's telling me to tour and personalize my PC. So we're just gonna press next. Boost your productivity. Next. All your child cherished memories in one place. Next. Save time and effort with shortcuts. Next. Capture screenshots using the snipping tool. Next. Check out Windows features and tips. And we'll just press start browsing because we're just going to download Google Chrome. Not that Edge is bad. Edge is not that bad, but I just prefer the simplicity of Chrome. So we'll just download Chrome. We'll open the file. Downloading 1 second and download complete. So Google Chrome is officially downloaded and now it's officially installed. Right there is Google Chrome and that is my web browser. I'll sign in later. So this is it right here. Right here you got Windows. There's one button right here. It's called the Copilot button. Now this is Microsoft's AI. And most newer laptops are going to have the Copilot button. So right here, we'll type in a message. What is a good title for? We'll press enter. And right there, it just gave me some titles for a Galaxy Book 4 unboxing video. Galaxy Book 4, The Ultimate Experience, First Look, Unboxing the Stellar Galaxy Book 4. A bunch of titles that are supposedly supposed to jump out at you. But anyway, that's basically the gist of what this laptop is. So far it looks like it's really smooth, it looks like it's really fast, and looks like I could just do things with a breeze. And yeah, so that's the unboxing. So here are my thoughts. Okay, so far the Galaxy Book 4 looks like it's a very good computer. It's a very good laptop. It feels a lot like the Apple Pro, or the MacBook Pro. What can I say? I mean, this is the MacBook competitor. This is Samsung. They're always competing with Apple. They're always gonna compete with Apple, no matter what, whether it be with the phones, with the Galaxy versus the iPhone, or with the MacBooks, or with the watches. Whatever it is, they're always gonna compete with Apple. But I really like this laptop, and I really hope that it does last me for a long time. I hope it does last me as long as my HP laptop did. But anyway, that's been it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Also become a member, and I will see you in the next one. See ya, bye.